Hey, it's Neil from Walter's Appliance. Got a call that Whirlpool front loader door wouldn't shut. Turns out the outer door boot clamp was missing, so this is going to be a quick repair. We've got a brand new one here, and we're going to put that on with our long needle nose pliers. So this is part number W11266654. So what you want to do is kind of get that boot back in its spot first. And I've got my long needle nose pliers. Just want to put that around so that the slack actually is there, and then you can just push up with the pliers. So that's me guiding it, and on this one, the spring part was right where the door hinge is. So just get it around there, and then you see that little bit that's left. That's all we need to get over. So yep, just holding it with one side and just grab that with your long needle nose pliers and push up. I'm guiding the top part with my hand at the same time. I mean, you should be able to find the actual pliers that other people may use, which will just open up that spring, but I do have those, but I just use the long needle nose pliers for this repair. So once we got that on, just inspect it to make sure that it's on properly. It's in. The door closes properly. And that's another quick, easy repair. Okay. We're going to test that out now. Door shuts properly. All right, turn that on and just hit start. It wouldn't even shut before. You couldn't even, like, the door wouldn't even latch. So that's it. It's latched now. Okay, so this one started working properly. And we're all done. It's another repair by Neil from Walter's Appliance.